Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm box for the month of October. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that includes beauty items. So it could be makeup, skincare, hair care, those types of products. So without further ado, let's get into the box. All right, and so our card says Candy Shop on it. And we'll set that off to the side because on the other side it does include the pricing of everything. So the first item I'm pulling out here is from Frank Body, and this is a caffeinated glow mask. Glow on, I dare you. For bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and enjoy. And this retails for $21.95. Give this a little sniff, and it does have a safety seal on it. Definitely like seeing that. It does say coffee awakens, so it does kind of have like that French vanilla kind of smell to it. It's really nice though. Excited to try that one. Next, we have from Farsali a Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. I've heard really good things about this. And this retails for $24. Ooh, that is a nice glass packaging. Just a clear serum. It doesn't really have a smell, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, so that's nice if you are sensitive to smells, or if they give you headaches or anything like that. This seems to be like it's unscented, or at least very mildly scented. I really don't smell anything with this. Next, we have from Grown Alchemits Matte Balancing Moisturizer Acai Berry Borago. If you watched my FabFitFun video, you saw that I got a day cream and a night cream from this brand. So this looks like it's another moisturizer from them. Packaging is very similar. It's almost identical to the other one. So I am not going to actually open this because I don't want to have this go bad on me. I am kind of backed up now on day creams, so we'll save that for later. So this retails for $69. Nice. All right, so the next item I have is from Ace Beauty, and it is a Draw It lip liner. Oh, there's 2 in here. Oh, that's cool. All right, so it's a Draw It Lip Liner Duo, and this set, it looks like, would retail for $16, so $8 a piece. And I'll show you the colors real quick. This is called Be Peachy. And then the other one is called So Gorgeous. So the first one's kind of like a cool toned nude. And the other one, the second one, the So Gorgeous, is more of like a berry tone. and they do have a little bit of waxiness to them, but they went on very smooth. So hopefully they stay put underneath lipsticks, but those are really pretty. I like both those colors. They're right up my alley. And the last item we got is from Pretty Vulgar, and it's called Nesting Bee Face. I want to be the person that names palettes and colors and eyeshadow colors. So this retails for $32. Oh, I was not expecting that. I don't know why I was thinking that this was a eyeshadow palette. It is a face palette that offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzes, and creamy glowing highlighters. That is really pretty. You got kind of a mix of, you've got like a deeper tone, a mid-tone. This bronzer has a lot of shimmer to it, if you can see that. This bottom blush has a slight shimmer to it as well, and then you've got your matte blush here and a shimmer highlighter as well. So let me just swatch a little bit. Let's do the highlighter. We'll do on top of my arm. Very pretty. Let's do that matte blush. And let's do that shimmer blush too. I want to see how shimmery that actually is. And those seem really nice. They're very, they're nice and finely milled. There's not big chunks of glitter in there. Overall, yeah, they seem like a really good quality. So super excited to play around with this. That is everything that we got in this month's box. It was definitely very skincare heavy. I've got 3 things of skincare and then 2 makeup items. So yeah, definitely not my favorite of boxes. I do definitely tend to lean more wanting more makeup versus the skincare, especially since I am starting to get backed up on things. It's not my favorite box, but it's definitely not the worst one that I've ever gotten. I don't really have anything to play around with for you today, except maybe these lip liners. So let me go grab a mirror real quick and we'll throw on one of these lip liners, see how it feels. That way we kind of get a better idea of first impressions for it. So hold tight. I'm wearing a pretty nude look today, so I think I'm gonna go with this So Gorgeous. This is that berry red toned one, just to see, and it'll be a little bit more obvious on the formula with this one, I think. So it's not bad. It's really creamy. It's got a little bit of the waxiness to it, but it's not uncomfortable to wear just by itself. It seems like it's very pigmented too, so you could just leave it like this. Yeah, and that waxiness is almost like, it feels like it's not gonna move around a lot on my lips, so yeah, like it. Super happy with this. I've only tried eyeshadows from Ace Beauty, so I'm excited to branch out to some of their other products and give those a try as well, since I am such a fan of their shadows. So that is everything that we got in this month's box. What did you think? If you got your box, what did you get in yours? I have combination number 32, 72. I don't know where I got 32. I have combination 72. Make sure you leave me a comment below. I love hearing from everybody. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.